A microscope is an instrument used to magnify very small objects using different objective lenses. Microscopes are fragile, so always carry the microscope with two hands. One hand should support the base, while the other hand grasps the arm. Specimens are observed on a thin rectangular glass plate, called a slide. When placing a slide on the microscope stage, use the stage clips to secure the slide. You may then center the specimen using the two knobs that adjust the mechanical stage. The microscope must be powered on before observing the specimen. Adjust the revolving nosepiece to observe the specimen at the lowest objective magnification. Then, gradually raise the light intensity using the iris diaphragm. Turn the coarse adjustment knob until the specimen is in focus. You may need to recenter the specimen at this time. Adjust the revolving nosepiece to switch the microscope to the next highest objective lens. From now on, you will only be using the fine adjustment knob to refocus the image. Otherwise, you could crash the objective into the slide and break the microscope. The fine adjustment knob is the smaller of the two. Repeat the fine focus knob and light adjustment when switching to the next highest power objective. When you are done observing the specimen, return to the lowest power magnification before lowering the stage. Carefully remove the slide from the stand. Clean up any spills and turn the power off.